I've been driving past this place called the Kawayan Collective for several days now. I've been wondering what exactly is being made here and what they're doing with the bamboo. So today I thought I'd stop by and actually check it out. So let's go inside and see a little bit more about this bamboo operation and what they're making here. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I'm with Gina and ang pangalan mo, sir?
Toto, they call me Toto.
Toto, okay, all right, awesome. And then we're at Kawayan Collective. And can I, Ate Gina? Can I call you Ate Gina?
Yeah.
Okay, so could you give us a cool tour of this facility and how you're making the bamboo here?
Okay.
Pwede?
Sure,
Okay.
sir.
Sige, all right.
So, we started it buying bamboos from our local farmers. Then we have a howler. So before that, before we bought their bamboos, they undergo a quality control. So we have a QC. We have also a standard to meet up before they're cutting their bamboos.
Of course.
Yeah.
So what are some of the standards? Like it needs to be very straight.
Yeah.
It can't have damages.
Yeah.
Or I learned about this bee called kiwot. Right, the kiwot will make a
kiwot,
beehive
yeah.
inside there. You can't have that,
Yeah.
right?
It should be straight, no damage.
Okay. And is there a specific variety of bamboo? Kasi di ba may iba't ibang different types of bamboo, right?
Yes, sir.
So,
Meron,
anong pangalan ng type nito yung popular
usually
dito?
yung popular yung pinaka ano namin, sir, is Kawayan Tinik.
Ah, tinik.
Tinik,
Okay.
yeah.
Kawayan tinik. Okay, cool. So most of the bamboo that we'll see here today is Kawayan tinik?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay.
Only yung big one na nasa malapit sa tank, sir, that's butong.
Oh, what are those tanks for? We have to go look at that.
Yes, sure, sir.
Pwede
That
ba?
is our treatment tank.
Okay, I'll only keep you a few minutes. I know you're probably busy. You have a business to run, but thank you, Ate Gina. Okay, so maybe you can show me that tank there.
So yung dalawang tank, sir, itong yellow one
Yes.
is Solignum.
It's what?
Solignum, sir.
Oh, I don't know what that is. It's a chemical, right?
Yeah, it's a chemical, sir.
All right, and what is it doing to the bamboo?
We are soaking the bamboo, sir.
Okay.
Dapat yung pag-soak ng bamboo is fully submerged.
Yeah, okay, so that's the reason for this right here.
Yeah, that's right.
You keep it down there? Okay.
That's the lock.
And it just treats it? Does it give it a treatment, like protect it against...
Yeah, yung Solignum, sir, same with borax. They have the same
It's an
effect.
acid,
No.
borax acid?
Borax and boric acid.
Okay.
So, same lang yung effect nila sa bamboo. Even though na yung pag-soak, yung soaking time is different.
Yes.
So, the Solignum, sir, we just soak it overnight.
Okay.
While the boric and borax, tinitreat namin yung bamboo within 1 week.
Oh, wow. So it will soak for 1 week?
The boric and borax, sir.
Oh, this one. Okay, so this is the acid here. Okay. Wow. So you don't want to put your hand in there because it could endanger you, right?
Actually, sir, okay lang.
Oh, it's a very small amount of acid.
Okay lang ma-soak yung hands natin.
Yeah.
But we're using the gloves.
Ah, yeah, I see it. Kuya's gloves. Ayan. Okay, very good. So, what does it look like before it goes in there? It's kind of green like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is before. This is like galing sa farm, ganito.
Yeah, galing sa
ganito
farm,
siya.
sir.
Okay. And then it goes inside here, and then it looks like this one.
Yeah, we cut it in different sizes.
Oh.
So, we have 2.44 liters, we have 6 liters, until 6 liters, sir.
Wow. So this one is soaked already?
No, sir.
Ah, hindi pa. Okay. Where's the one that already got soaked?
This one, sir.
Ah, yun. Okay. So it doesn't look too different. It doesn't look very different.
Yeah.
Wow. And then after this, you cut them, right?
Yeah, we process it already.
Okay.
So, yung ginagamit namin dito, sir, is all treated na.
Yeah.
We're not using treated bamboo.
Yeah.
Since we're making some furnitures, panels,
Yeah.
for small wares, for house decorations.
How about kubo? Also kubo, right?
The kubo,
Kubo
sir?
house, yeah?
Yes, sir. Yeah, we have payag in there at
Yeah.
the road.
Ah, okay, sige.
The, ano lang, along the road
So
lang.
I know it's really loud, but I'll just get a little
Yeah,
clip of them cutting it and then I'll come back.
Okay.
Okay, sige, so. Yeah. Oh, this one they're making a panel. Wow, Kuya's making panels. Oh, he's taking these little
Ito yung
strips.
tinatawag namin na sa panel.
Okay, and then they can make walls out of this for furniture, house, yeah. Wow. Okay, amazing. That's so cool. Alright, awesome. Okay, balik tayo kasi medyo malakas dito. This is so cool. And all of this bamboo comes from here in Negros?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Usually, before, until 10 kilometers pa yung nabibili namin, yung malapit lang, within 10 kilometers pa lang kami. But now, we're buying already from 20 kilometers.
Wow.
Like, we have already supplied by Timbao, Valencia.
Okay. Oh, Valencia. Nice. Yeah. I love Valencia and I drive up there often and I always see bamboo growing in Valencia. Yeah. What are they making over here?
This is our fabrication area.
Okay.
So there are different kinds of products. So they're making
Oh wow,
heart shape.
that's a heart. Oh my gosh. Wow. Amazing. Wow, so that's for a customer that ordered already?
Yeah.
Ah,
Because
ganda.
kami dito, sir, once na yung may nag-order sa amin, tapos they want their own, what do you call this one? They want their own designs.
Yeah.
So, nagko-customize din naman kami, sir.
Amazing. So when you stand this up, it can be like you can be sitting inside there, right?
Merong upuan doon.
Ah, okay. Wow. Let's see what, she's putting the filler, right? Diba yung tawag niyan, filler?
That is Masilya, sir.
Ah, okay.
A combination of sawdust and Apollo white wood.
It covers up the nail holes, right, from the
holes,
hole.
yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, and then these guys, what are they making over there?
They're making, the one, sir, is what we call the spice rack.
Ah, can we go over there?
Yeah.
Is that okay? All right. That's a table, mesa. Yeah. Wow, galing. Oh, here's all the orders.
Yeah.
Ito pala yung mga orders. Ayan. Spice rack. Wow, galing Okay, I could put my spices here.
Yeah.
Awesome. And then what's this one maybe? Picture frame or maybe for salamin? Mirror?
Tatay, ano yan, tay?
Basket.
A basket.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's just the very beginning of the
Yeah.
basket. Yeah. Wow, and there's the other side of the heart. That looks so cool. Wow. Oh, I can see that's where it's going to be standing upright, right? Yeah. So the heart will be on its side, and then they'll be able to sit right there. Yeah. Ah, galing. Okay. Awesome. Oh, there's some more of the
This one,
soaking,
sir.
right?
Yeah. No, not soaking with chemicals.
Yeah.
Pero
Tubig?
nag-soak kami ito. Tubig lang.
Ito tubig lang. Okay. Yeah.
Usually yung nagamit namin water is just a normal water, river water lang. So we're soaking it for 3 days. At after that, yung bamboo namin is iniisa-isa namin hinuhugasan. So we have brush.
Yes.
Or,
The brushes. Yeah.
brushes.
Okay. But does that help straighten it at all? Make it straighter?
No, sir.
No. Okay.
It will just get the starch.
Okay.
It will just wash out all the starch inside and the outside dirt.
So it has to be straight already before it comes here, right? It can't be too
No.
twisted. Yeah. This is so cool. Man, I love bamboo so much. And it has so many uses, like just 1 million uses, diba? Yeah. Amazing. Okay, cool. I'm only staying at Well Beach down there, Well Beach Resort. Yeah. So kaya nakita ko kayo dito sa sa National Highway. Yeah, so that's why I said,
Open, sir, for visitors.
oh, awesome. I'm so glad I came here then. Yeah. Because I didn't know for sure if it was just a factory or if it was open, ganyan. So anything else to see out here maybe, or there's the kubo.
The kubo, sir, and we have our starter home kit.
Oh my God, I gotta see that.
Yung starter home kit na design po ng architect namin, the owner of the Kawayan Collective, siya yung nag-design. This is a response to Typhoon Odette that was
yeah.
being affected sa north.
So you could provide relief house kit to someone who lost their home in a storm. Like right now, actually, in making this video in the United States, there was a huge typhoon, we call it hurricane, in Florida. And many people lost their homes. But I know it also happens here in the Philippines because I was also here in 2014 for when it went Typhoon Yolanda, when it went to Tacloban. Yeah, pumunta ako dito. So I saw the devastation. Yeah. Well, can we look at one of the house kits?
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
It was just a sample, sir. So, yung owner ng house na bibigyan namin or yung beneficiary, sir, sila yung nagde-design kung saan nila ilalagay yung pinto, yung bintana nila.
So they have a little bit of selection how to choose how the
before,
design looks.
Before namin ibibigay sa kanila yung bahay, yung starter kit namin. So they will undergo some training. So we have training. So this is our classroom.
Oh my gosh, this is so cool.
Different products inside, sir.
Oh wow, so this is the actual model, yeah? Amazing.
This is our starter home.
Okay, so this is the starter home here. Pero parang may kasamang simento.
Yeah,
Bakit ba
the
yun?
plaster.
It's a plaster. So is it over the top of Kawayan? Oh wow, okay. So this looks familiar already. The walls are kind of like what Kuya was making inside there, right? He was putting this on the wall? Or is it just bamboo with plaster on it?
Yeah, this one, sir, it's
Chicken wire.
Yeah, chicken wire. We put the chicken wire so that the plaster will really
that will be very matibay, right? It's going to be better than just bamboo by itself. So this one has the concrete cemento on the outside. Wow, I like it. I think it's really good. The windows look good, and
it's just a sample, sir.
Yeah.
Just make it so that our tools
can be stored here.
can be stored
And then the roof, of course, is corrugated metal, which is very easy to put on with these bamboo rafters. Oh, wow, it's amazing. That is so cool.
Yung gumagawa nito, sir, it's in this area. That is our fabrication also area, a starter home kit area.
And are these panels here the ones to make one like this shape?
Yeah, this will be delivered in Bais.
Wow.
So we are delivering it, and our personnel will go there. We have also a third party who will connect it, who will attach it.
Like carpentero, ganyan?
Yeah.
Or engineer, like that, something. Excellent, very cool. Well, do you mind if I ask how much is the cost of one like completed kubo like this?
Including the, what do you call this one? The
concrete
foundation.
Foundation. Well, that well.
It will have, I think it's 150,000.
Okay.
That's already the set house.
Yeah.
With the plaster.
Yeah. But if it was emergency situation, maybe the government could help pay for some of those houses, and then they can give them to the people, right?
Actually, in Himalalod and what's the other place in North? The Diocese of Dumaguete, they are the one who gave houses to 8 people.
Oh, diocese, that'd be the church, right?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
And we have also some big organization who would like to help those affected for them.
Excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
That's important, and charity is very important.
Go inside.
Okay. So this is the classroom for... Oh wow, so here we're going to learn about all the products that we can make out of bamboo. Oh, this is so cool.
This is our
even this chair. It looks so matibay.
Yes.
Oh wow, it's very strong, and I can sit. If I sit here, I am. Okay, I'm here in the chair. And look, here's a whole table, and it looks beautiful. Yeah. And another chair, and this is a lamp.
Yeah,
we have lamps. They even have decorative design and flair. Amazing. How about this one? Bookshelf?
It is what we call, sir, a ritazo.
Okay.
Ritazo is the remaining part of the bamboo which are not being used anymore.
That's brilliant.
That's why we are thinking in our learning and innovation to make a new product using some ritazo.
That is perfect. So the leftover pieces will not get wasted.
Yeah.
And they'll be able to be used into... Oh, that's amazing. Okay, so here is the classroom. And we have these benches here where they can all sit. The students can sit and see. We have some more chairs here.
Yeah.
What would this be? Just some basic square materials that you can build. You can make anything out of this, right? Yeah. So it could be part of a chair. It could be a bookshelf. It could be anything, right? Yeah. That is beautiful too. Who designed these things?
Actually, it was being the original design who make the design for this one is our previous sales lead.
Okay.
Who is the one who communicate with NOC, the Negros Oriental.
Okay.
They're the one who ordered this one.
Here's an example of a picture frame. Of course, we have Kawayan Collective in there right now, but this could be your family or a Filipino family inside there. And then these are just more pieces, right?
Yes, sir.
Wow, so cool. I love it. Man, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I feel like I've seen these lamps before. So there's a bar restaurant nearby called Local.
Yeah, the local, sir.
Did they use the bamboo from here?
Yeah.
Ah, so I recognize these lamps because I think they're hanging up. They have light bulbs inside them. Yeah, so you can put light bulbs.
We're
And
the
then
one who make their chairs.
the
their
chairs are
stools.
beautiful. Yes, I know exactly what you're talking about.
I
Yeah.
don't know if you have been there in Anahaw. They're using our panels
I
and
haven't
our
been.
countertop.
Ooh, Anna how?
Anahaw.
Is it also a resto bar or a restaurant?
I guess it's a yoga studio.
Okay, okay.
In Dauin.
I like this door. It's very creative. It swings on a hinge. Very creative. I love it. I love it. Awesome. Okay, and then we have some people assembling more panels like that. Okay, so they're building the panels. And then here in your assembly area, you're still using the actual bamboo for this actual building that they're working under. That's pretty cool. So here's the support, concrete supports, and then it holds bamboo poles that go up, and that holds the roof up. Galing. Wow. Okay, very cool. I saw a guy painting something over here. I wanted to stop by there as well. Can we really quick? Okay. We'll just see what they're painting because this looks really cool. Seems like they're bringing back the original green color to the bamboo. And maybe you can tell us what they're making over here. It looks really nice. Very green. Wow.
This one, sir, ito nilalagay namin sa hole.
Okay.
Dinidikit namin sa hole
Yes.
to make it a incense holder.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that one, may maliliit, may malalaki. So that is our desk organizer.
Okay, so you could put pens and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Well, maybe like people could use those in their oficina or maybe in escuela, ganyan.
Yeah, sir.
Wow.
Ay, ganyan na siya. Ganyan yung ano niya, sir.
Ah, okay, that's how it's, yeah, very nice. Excellent, excellent. Looks good, guys. Looks very good. Okay, awesome. Well, this was really, really neat. I'm so glad I stopped by. And then, do you have you said by the side of the road you have a kubo, that one right there, right? Okay. Because I know the kubos are very popular also,
Yes,
so.
Yung kubo niya na yan, ilalagay din namin sa buglasan sa Dumaguete.
Okay.
So,
I think if I have a house here in Dumaguete, I'm gonna have to have a kubo and put it in my yard because it's just masarap, right? You just sit down there and you enjoy the fresh air, hanging.
yes,
Awesome. All right. Well, thank you so much, Ate Gina, for
Thank you,
touring
sir.
me. And I thought this was really a neat place, and I'm so glad I stopped by.